Guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your saved or favorite items inside Facebook Marketplace. Please make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on anything important. In saying that, let's jump straight in. So first up, open up your Facebook app and now click onto the Marketplace icon, and then where it says Marketplace to your right, you got a little person icon. Click onto him. And then on this page here, you should see saved items. So click into that. And this is where you see all of your saved items on Facebook Marketplace. To unsave a favorite item, just simply click on the three horizontal dots and then click on unsave. And now it's gone from your saved items list on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video till the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found the tutorial helpful.